So an update on this Liatris ligulistylis, and I have one that came up and got eaten by some bugs, and that's not doing very well. I got 2, I got 3, I got 4, I got 5, and I think that one's got some bugs that it got too. And then this one, so 6, that's pretty good. Thought I might only get 5, looks like I got 6, but they're not out of the woods, and that one's looking really nasty, so I might only end up with 5. But that's where things are at, and this was planted on May 19th, and here we are like June 5th, I believe, possibly June 6th. No, June 6th, I think it is. It's May 19th to June 6th. This is planted from seed. I had probably 2 or 3 seeds per cavity. I would go a little higher in the future. My collection of the timing was not the best, but it worked clearly, but it could have been better. It looks like this one's struggling a little bit from some of those bugs too. But yeah, things are coming along, and I will definitely get a few plants here, and this will put this native plant in my backyard, and that's kind of cool. That's what I'm looking for.